Hey, how are you doing, guys? This is Alex Premier Kia of Canada with you again. What I got today for you? I have for you Telluride with running boards. Finally, brand new running boards released about a week ago. First release of running boards, it was like about 2 months ago, and was completely different running boards, and we installed a couple of them, but manufacturer said they look ugly. They decided to change them, and everybody was waiting about 2 months when they released a new one, and finally a week ago they released a new running boards for Telluride. So I have a quick video for you, just show you how they look, because I have a lot of customers, a lot of subscribers asking me how they're gonna look. They're gonna look cool, not cool, whatever. So that's video for running boards for Telluride. And as you can see in front of me, it's Telluride LX, but rims. As you can see, the guy just throw EX rims, 18-inch EX rims on Telluride and paint them in black. Actually looks pretty cool, guys. So if you want to change the look of your LX base model Telluride, that's a good idea to do it though. So let's take a look on those running boards. And as you can see, he painted those rims, EX rims, and make them black. And that's running board right there. Cool design. You have Telluride right there, and that black rim. Let's see how it looks like on the side. You see, they made them kind of thin, so it's not like classy look. You see, that's the size of running board. That's how it looks like from the side. Classy, nice, cool looking running boards. So that was video about running boards. If you're thinking about them, they cost roughly $850 with installation and labor. So you can go to your local dealership and it's available for order. As usual, it takes 48 hours to get them in stock. So stop by your local dealership and ask for running boards for Telluride. That was Alex Premier Kia of Canada with you. Please subscribe for my videos, support my channel. More videos coming. Thank you so much. See you later.